Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want a band set that's really going to work out every muscle of your body, you got to check these out.
The STANDROCK fabric fitness bands have helped me so much. It comes with 3 levels of long fitness bands along with 3 levels of short fitness bands. I love the quality. You look on the inseams, everything is just so well sewn and put together and has the different levels of stretch for heavy, medium, and light. And I love the colors. They're just so much fun, very girly. And the long ones are just as well made, but go a lot further, which is very helpful when you're doing different workouts. And having these together really allow me to work my legs, work my arms, to help me with different parts of my body that I need to work on. For the short bands, it comes with a paper that has workout suggestions, and you can choose whatever level you want to try these different workouts. And the long bands come with their own section of workout suggestions, and you can just see how far it stretches. It stretches from your foot all the way to above your head, which really helps you to get a good workout for your arms, your shoulders, your back, and made working out so much easier. I can work out outside, indoors, and because they're fabric, they're easy to clean, they don't slip. I don't have to worry about them breaking. They're just so well made. They come each with their own little bag that I can put them in along with the workout suggestions, and you can just store them anywhere in your house. It doesn't take up much space.
Quality of these truly blew me away, and the versatility allowed me to get that workout any time of the day so easy. And that's my point of view.